Hey y'all, sorry about that. I made a mistake and pressed the stop button, you know. So anyway, let's continue what the heck I gotta say. Okay. All right. So anyway, I'm back, y'all. I apologize for stopping the video. Okay. All right, and I wasn't even finished. I really wasn't finished. Okay. So I'm back. Okay. So anyway, hopefully y'all gonna see my niece again. Last time y'all saw my show was last Christmas, right? Well, before Christmas at that. Well, Christmas, well, you know, yeah, in 2020 I should say. I'm about to say 2019. So one day she'll come over here. I hope so. I don't mind babysitting my little niece though, you know. Yep. So yeah, I definitely don't mind, you know. So that's all to it, you know. All I do is eat my pizza, chicken, and stuff like that. Drink my tea. You know, I know y'all seen that video with me drinking Kerry's natural lemonade. Okay. Yep. And Mr. B from across the river at his bakery, he seen my video, you know. Yeah, I'm so glad he saw my video. I'm very happy he did, you know. Yes, indeed. Yeah, I'm so glad he saw my video, you know. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we dodged the bullet from Tropical Storm Claudette and stuff like that, you know. And then we had rain last night, as far as y'all know. Okay. Due to this storm and stuff like that. So it's sunny. I know y'all saw the sun earlier. But anyway, the sun is out right now. Okay. All right. Thank y'all for watching this video. Okay. And this whole vlog that I have to put together and stuff like that, just because I accidentally stopped the recording. Okay. All right. Bye bye.